Sprinkler system question and answer. What is a sprinkler system? An automatic fire protection system that discharges water when fire is detected. What is the main purpose of a sprinkler system? To control or extinguish fire. When does a sprinkler operate? When heat reaches a specific temperature. Is a sprinkler activated by smoke? No, it is activated by heat. What are the main components? Sprinkler heads, pipes, valves, water supply. What is a sprinkler head? A device that releases water when heat is detected. What is a control valve? A valve used to start or stop water flow. What is an alarm valve? A valve that activates an alarm when water flows. What is a water supply source? Tank, pump, or municipal supply. What are the types of sprinkler systems? Wet pipe, dry pipe, pre-action, deluge. What is a wet pipe system? Pipes are always filled with water. What is a dry pipe system? Pipes contain air, water enters when activated. What is a pre-action system? Requires detection before water release. What is a deluge system? All sprinklers discharge water at once. What is a sprinkler head? A device that discharges water when activated by heat. What is a glass bulb? A heat-sensitive element that breaks at a set temperature. What is a fusible link? A metal element that melts to activate the sprinkler. What is a fast response sprinkler head? A sprinkler that activates quickly when exposed to heat. What is the main purpose of a fast response sprinkler? To control fire rapidly and improve life safety. Where are fast response sprinklers commonly used? In light hazard occupancies like offices, hospitals, and schools. What is the life of a sprinkler head? Generally 20 to 50 years, depending on type and condition. What is the recommended testing period for sprinkler heads? After 20 years from installation. Which standard gives sprinkler life guidelines? National Fire Protection Association, NFPA 25. What is a fusible strut type sprinkler? A sprinkler that uses a fusible metal strut, link, to hold the valve closed, which releases when heated. What is a fusible strut? A heat-sensitive metal element that melts at a fixed temperature. How does a fusible strut sprinkler work? Heat melts the strut, releasing the cap and allowing water discharge. What is the operating principle? Melting of low-temperature alloy due to heat. Temperature does it operate? At its rated temperature, e.g. 68 degrees Celsius, 79 degrees Celsius. What is a water spray system? A fire protection system that sprays water in a specific pattern to control fire. What is the purpose of a water spray system? To control fire and cool surfaces. Where are water spray systems used? In transformers, boilers, conveyors, and industrial hazards. What is the difference between sprinkler and water spray system? Sprinkler protects area. Water spray targets specific equipment. What are the main components of a water spray system? Nozzles, pipes, valves, and water supply. What is a spray nozzle? A device that distributes water in a specific pattern. What is a deluge valve? A valve that releases water to all nozzles at once. What is a detection system? A system that senses fire and activates water flow. Can water be used to extinguish oil fires? Generally, no. Direct water should not be used. Why is water not suitable for oil fires? Oil floats on water and spreads the fire. What happens when water is poured on burning oil? It causes splashing and rapid fire spread. What is the main danger of using water on oil fire? Explosion-like flare-up, boil over. What type of fire is an oil fire? Class B fire. What is the best method to extinguish oil fires? Smothering, foam, CO2, dry chemical. Why is foam preferred for oil fires? It forms a blanket over fuel and cuts oxygen. What are the parts of water spray system? Fire pump, priming, flow meter, non-rise temperature device, strainer, valve, flexible tube, water spray nozzle, control panel, manual operation push button, level switch. What is HBMS? HWMS stands for High Velocity Water Spray. Xeon International Safety College, WCC Nagercoil. Contact 908-086-5511. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to click the bell icon next to subscribe for more updates.